Are you a sports achiever who wants to build a strong professional career without giving up on your passion? If yes, GSSS Institute is looking for you.
If you are ready to compete at the highest level, our selection trials are officially waiting for you. Admissions are open under Sports Quota at GSSS Institutions.
Whether you excel in team sports or you are a champion of individual events, this is your chance to represent a prestigious institution that truly values your dedication.
As a sports quota student here, you get incredible benefits including fee concessions, modern gym, expert coaching and top-tier sports equipments. Plus you get a fully covered TADA and official sports kits for all the tournaments.
We also ensure your studies never take a backseat. You'll get attendance relief for match days, exclusive academic coaching.
On top of that, there are excellent on-campus hostel facilities exclusively for girls. The seats under Sports Quota are strictly limited. So, do not miss out this opportunity to elevate your game and your education.
Scan the QR code on your screen to register the selection trials right away, or call us directly at 7259815981. You can also visit us at KRS Road, Metagalli, Mysuru. See you on GSSS campus.